How to move address bar to the bottom in Google Chrome on iPhone. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Chrome. And then after that, since you want to move your address bar, so all you have to do is on the bottom part here, you will see these five options. And then on the right side, you will see the three dash lines. So you have to, three dots there, click on that, and this will pop out. The next thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna look for the settings. Here you will see the gear icon or the settings. Click on that and it will redirect you here. Now, the next thing that you're gonna do is in the second section here, you'll see address bar. And as you can see, currently it's set on top. So if you want to move that address bar on the bottom, so what you're gonna do is to click on that. And here you will see two options. It's either to put it on the top or on the bottom. So since you want it to be on the bottom, just click on bottom there and tap on done on the upper right. And basically that is it. And that is how you move address bar to bottom in Google Chrome on iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.